I just got this Daydreamer Deluxe Gift Box in the mail from Lemongrass Spa, and I wanted to unbox it for you. I have Panda here, my little puppy, getting some love, and he's going to help me do that. So before I get started, can we talk about this box? Look how cute the cotton candy clouds, the design, the font, everything about it makes the perfect keepsake box. And I'm really excited to be able to keep some hair accessories or photos or something like that in this box. So let's get into this box. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. This font and the illustrations, the daydreaming heals the heart, soothes the soul, and strengthens the imagination. I love that quote so much. So in this box, you'll find this card, which is so cute with the Daydreamer illustrations. And on the back of it, you can see all of the things that are inside this box. So you get some instructions of what's inside. And I'm going to start with a Daydreamer body icing. Look at this texture and this color, the beautiful lavender color. This is super creamy and light. Oh my gosh. My hands are always very dry in the winter, and so this is the perfect thing to be able to use. And it smells divine. If you're wondering what Daydreamer smells like, it is the exotic lychee fruit and blooming botanicals. So if you're interested in something like that, if you like fruity or floral profiles, this appeals to both. And it's just a very light scent that is I'm addicted to it. It's so good. Next, we're going to talk about the mineral bath soak. Look at this. This is such a cute package. And this beautiful salt so that you can soak in your bath. I know baths this time of year are my absolute favorite, so you can warm up from those cool temperatures outside, and it's just so warm and relaxing. I really like that. And I know Panda's going to want to be hopping in my bath too. See, sniff. He loves it just as much as me. Smells so good, huh? Next, this one I'm really excited about is the Daydreamer Rollerball. This is a beautiful rollerball fragrance, and you can put it on your wrists or your neck. I like to use this for date night or everyday use. This is really easy to just pop in your purse and go wherever you are. And it has this elegant packaging, like the silver lid, the glass bottle. It's just very, very luxurious. And last but not least, I'm so excited about this silk eye mask. This one's so beautiful, and these are usually $30 or $40 alone. So this entire box is $49 plus free shipping. So you're getting a great deal with all of these products that are inside, plus the silk eye mask. And I know that this box is a great deal for holidays, birthdays. I know I have two sisters who have birthdays coming up soon, so I can't wait to drop this to their doorstep. So if you're looking for a fun holiday or just a gift for anyone on your gift list, consider the Daydreamer Deluxe Gift Box. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon.